Today we will learn the variants of renal cell carcinoma. So this picture is showing the chromophobic variant. Here what are the peculiarities that you can see in this image? Here the cell membrane, it is dense and thick. So in this picture you can see the cell membrane is very dense and thick. You can clearly mark out the cell membrane, so it is thick, just like we say plant cell like appearance. So we know that the plant cell wall is very thick. So just like that, since this cell membrane is actually dense and thick, so that is a peculiarity that you can see here. Now what about the nucleus? The nucleus is actually very compact and it is small, so that is pycnotic nuclei. So it is very compact and small, and you can compare it with resins. And what about the perinuclear halo? Also you can see that this is the nucleus, and now in this cell you can see clearly mark out the perinuclear halo. Just like every cells you can clearly identify every points. I hope so. Like peculiarities about the cell membrane, you can compare it with a plant cell like appearance, and when it goes to nucleus, again you can compare it with resins. Now you have a perinuclear halo. So it is so important to remember that this chromophobic variant is associated with multiple loss of chromosomes. So this is associated with extreme hypodiploidy. So that is a statement question that you can get in this part. Chromophobic variant is associated with extreme hypodiploidy. Next, when you go to the next picture, here it is the clear cell variant. So as compared to the previous picture, this is more clear. You can see this is more clear. So this is clear cell variant of renal cell carcinoma, and the statement question that you can get here, mostly it is about clear cell variant is associated with VHL gene deletion, that is 3p deletion. This is the most common cytogenetic change associated with clear cell renal cell carcinoma. So what about this picture? This is the third variant of renal cell carcinoma, that is the papillary variant of renal cell carcinoma. Here you can clearly, I hope you can clearly see there is a thin blood vessel which is going on like this. There is a thin blood vessel going on like this. So here along with that the fibrous tissue will be also going, so there will be a fibrovascular core, so that will be having a lot of papillary projections, like, so the name is like papillary renal cell carcinoma. Papillary variant, and which is the most common cytogenetics associated with this. Usually the question which you get, it is trisomy 717, trisomy of 717, trisomy of 7 and 17. So the 7 is having a familial variant and 17 is having a sporadic variant. Okay. Now other thing which you can get is MET oncogene mutation. MET oncogene mutation. So this is also having a familiar type of papillary renal cell carcinoma. In 17 only you are getting the sporadic one. In MET and the 7 trisomy you are getting the familial variant. So I hope you understood about papillary variant, chromophobic variant, and clear cell variant of renal cell carcinoma. Okay, so I hope you love the session. Thank you.